You hit a cat.
Ah!
Car! Beep, beep, beep!
Kimmy, you are not a good driver.
Oh, no, that's Daddy's seat.
Sure, you're the one in the driver's seat.